everyone and welcome to a new studio vlog. I hope you're doing fine. I've been just packing a bunch of orders and I realized I haven't showed you the cards which came from my printer at the beginning of this week. What a shame. I'm actually very happy with how they turned out, and I feel like I say this very often lately, but it's definitely that I get a lot better with the whole printing process because I've been printing with this printing company for quite some time now, which makes it a lot easier for me to know how the colors will turn out and how I have to adjust them on screens. That's definitely something which makes the whole printing process a little bit easier for me. And maybe one day I won't get anxiety anymore when I give something into print. I already packed a bunch of wholesale orders, which is why there are already some cards on. But I thought I might quickly show you some of the cards because I haven't done that so far. I have to say, one of my favorite parts about doing a new collection is always the time when I set everything live on my website and people get access to the cards, so I see what they are actually picking and liking. Because obviously I like all of the cards I'm getting printed, but I actually always have a few favorites, and it's always so nice to see if my favorites are the same as yours. What I'm gonna do now is sort all of the cards into their final boxes, which I already purchased a while ago, and yeah, let's do this. Also, how exciting is it that Inktober is just around the corner? Well, by the time I will be posting this video, Inktober will have probably already started, and I will also join Inktober, even though I won't commit to a daily drawing challenge because honestly at the moment I just don't have the time to commit to a daily drawing challenge. But Moonshot Illustrations is hosting a great alternative if you can't commit to a daily drawing challenge. It's called Moontober Weekends. I actually just have it open on my phone. I will link it down below if you're interested. It's an Inktober which is just happening on Saturdays and Sundays, so just drawing on the weekend. And I think that's a great alternative and I really like the prompts. So if you're also interested, check it out. I will link it down below in the info box. I'm also planning on documenting everything on YouTube. So Inktober mixed with a little bit of Vlogtober, but more on a weekly basis, not a daily basis. But yeah, anyway, I hope you're excited for it. And if you're joining any Inktober challenges, I would love to hear, because I always love to see what everyone's up to and to discover some new artists and challenges. So if you want to share, I would be super happy about it. Also, I just realized that I promised you a mini studio tour in the last vlog for the next vlog, which means this vlog. Wow, how complicated can one be? Anyway, so the thing is, I'm nowhere near done with the studio so far. I just didn't have time to decorate it or move everything in the place where I actually want it to be. It's just like a practical state right now, but not exactly how I want it to be. So maybe I will just flip you around and show you what the current state is, and then we'll give you a proper studio tour within the next few months when everything is a little bit more decorated and in the place where I want stuff to be and a little bit more settled. How about that? So when you come in here, we have my desk area. I already had this desk in the old studio, but what's new? This little packing desk over here. And honestly, I can't even tell you how excited I am to finally have a desk which is only dedicated to folding stuff, cutting stuff, and packing stuff. It's probably the most awesome thing about the new studio. And over here I have all of my storage stuff. And since we are not living in a top floor apartment anymore, I could finally fit in the tall IKEA shelves, which also meant I had to buy one of these IKEA stools, which I actually still have to build, but I'm really looking forward to doing this because I know a lot of people hate building IKEA stuff, but honestly, for me it's a little bit like Lego for adults, and that's basically everything I can show you for now. To be continued.